Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto E20 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Start by accessing Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Over here you need to type DevCheck, like that, and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just tap on Open. And from this app you can find out all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!